Build a business using Amazon. When most people think about Amazon, they think of somewhere you go to spend money. But actually, there are many different ways you can earn money on the platform. In addition to selling products to consumers all around the world, the company also offers full-time and part-time work, and the opportunity to grow your own business. Ways to make money from Amazon include promoting products via affiliate links, selling your own items on the platform, self-publishing ebooks, or working for the company at one of their corporate offices or fulfillment centers. Promote Amazon products with affiliate links. Lots of people are interested in selling Amazon products, but they don't want to go through the hassle of sourcing products, storing inventory, or fulfilling orders. If this is how you feel, then Amazon Associates is for you. With this program, Amazon will provide you with special links you can use to promote items that are sold on their site. You can post your links on your blog, social media pages, or anywhere else on the internet. Every time someone clicks on one of your links and buys a product, known as a referral, you'll make a small commission. The best part is, even if they buy something completely different than what you were promoting, you still make money. This strategy is ideal for people who already have an established blog or social media following. Or if you're skilled with SEO, you can create a website around a particular niche. Optimize your pages for certain keywords, promote relevant items, and include your affiliate links to start making money. Sell merchandise. Have you ever thought about selling your own clothing? Well, the Merch by Amazon program lets you do just that. How it works is, you create a design for a shirt or sweater and then upload it to the site. If someone buys your shirt, Amazon will print it and send it to the customer. Because the platform works on a print-on-demand system, you don't have to buy or store any inventory. Your shirts are only created when someone orders them. Create a product in your Merch by Amazon account. This is an awesome business for anyone who's artistic and good at design. But even if you're not, you can always hire someone to create designs for you, although this will add an additional cost. It's worth noting that the program is extremely popular. As such, acceptance is by invitation only. You'll need to submit an application and then you might have to wait a while to get accepted. So, if you're at all interested, submit your application as soon as possible. Resell items you find on other marketplaces. Lots of people think that in order to sell products on Amazon, you need to know how to get inventory from wholesalers and manufacturers. This can be a bit intimidating and prevent some people from ever starting this kind of business. However, you can actually resell items from other online marketplaces like eBay, AliExpress, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and more. This is what's known as online arbitrage. What most people don't realize is that prices can vary greatly from one marketplace to another. You might be able to find a product that's selling on eBay for half the price it's selling for on Amazon. If this is the case, you can buy it on eBay and then resell it on Amazon for a profit. Of course, not everything you buy will make you money. If there's no demand for what you're selling, then you won't get many sales. This is why before you start an online arbitrage business, you need to do some product research. Sell your own branded products on Amazon. If you want to sell on Amazon and are looking for something that's more profitable and scalable than online arbitrage, you might want to consider selling your own private label products. These are unique items that have your own branding on them. The big advantage of selling private label products is that you're the only one selling them. This means you face less competition and you don't have to fight other sellers for the buy box. Coming up with your own unique item might seem difficult, but it's actually fairly easy. All you have to do is take an existing Amazon product and change or improve it in some way to make it your own. Self-publish a book on Amazon Kindle. Gone are the days when you needed to be accepted by a major publisher in order to make money selling books. With Amazon, you can simply publish your own e-books on their platform and start earning a nice income. You can choose to write either fiction or non-fiction. Popular fiction writers generally make more, but it's harder to market and sell a fiction book. This is why many authors focus on non-fiction. If you target a popular niche and use the right keywords, you can easily start showing up in Amazon searches. The cost to write a book is pretty minimal, assuming you're planning on writing it yourself. You'll have to pay for a cover design, and it's recommended you hire someone to edit and format your book. But neither of these will set you back too much, making this a great opportunity for anyone who loves to write. Deliver orders through the Amazon Flex program. The Amazon Flex program is similar to Uber, except instead of delivering people, you deliver packages. With this program, You use your own vehicle to deliver Amazon orders. Simply download the app, sign up, reserve a block of orders, pick them up at the depot, and deliver them to the specified addresses. While this isn't exactly a scalable business, it's a great way to make some extra money. It's worth noting that the Flex program isn't currently available everywhere. They may also have enough drivers in your area, in which case there won't be any openings. Still, if this is an opportunity you're interested in, then it's definitely worth downloading the app and checking it out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Click that notifications bell for future video updates. Also, if you have enjoyed this video or learned something new, then click the like button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Here is some bonus information for you. The future is now. This product is a brand new guide for people looking to succeed on YouTube without having to make any videos. It's 100% written by an AI, and the author has over 10 years of experience in this field. What could be better? Finally, you can be successful without any work at all. Click the link in the description to find out more.